everybody. This is Miss Amanda and Miss Vanessa here at McMath. We are going to be making some gingerbread houses today. We're going to be showing you what we are going to do with supplies similar to the ones you will find in the gingerbread house making kits that you can pick up here at the library. Our gingerbread houses are made out of graham crackers, a little bit of hot glue because that made the job easier, and some royal icing. At the end of the video, we'll include a recipe for royal icing in case you would like to make your own or add on to the gingerbread houses you can make with our kits. Here we go. With your kit, you will get a gingerbread house, you'll get some royal icing in a Ziploc bag, and some candies. When you get your royal icing, the first thing you want to do is keep it twisted up a little bit, but squish it around a little bit to make sure it's nice and soft. You don't want this to be too cold or too hard, or it'll be hard to decorate your house. After you feel like you can squish it in your hands really well, you're going to take sharp scissors and you're going to cut off the smallest little piece of this plastic bag that you can at the end. And this is going to be what you're going to pipe your icing out with. Your icing is like your glue for your house, and it will help you decorate your house by sticking the candy in place. It dries really fast, so decorate a little bit with the icing, stick your candy, and then decorate a little bit more.